Good afternoon. Okay. Hi, good afternoon. Para. Okay, 3:44. Wala pa pong pwede mo mag-avail ng drinks?
For the drinks po, around 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. po.
5 to 7 pa? Oh no. Anong pwedeng i-avail ngayon?
We do have orange, mga juices po and coffee.
Sige nga. Saan ko kunin?
We do have po sa ano po.
Sige, order ako. Yung orange juice, fresh, fresh juice?
We do have orange po. Orange juice, fresh, and mango juice.
Okay, good. Thank you. Orange juice ako. Thank you.
Orange juice.
Sa market.
Oh my God. Ay, in-order mo?
Cranberry po.
Cranberry? Wow, kulay pula. Parang Bloody Rosemary.
Ngayon nga lang din kami
Okay.
nakapag ng poncan. Kasi usually fresh orange talaga.
So, fresh poncan to.
Poncan.
Okay, good.
Mandarin pa tawag.
Mandarin? Tignan ko.
Same lang naman yung lasa.
Ingatan. Okay, it's almost 5 o'clock na. Ready na yung ano rito. Kal, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's check. Okay, ito po yung today's dinner here sa Fairmont Hotel here in Makati. Okay. Then Black Label, Bacardi, Marta, Don Papa, Valentines. Okay, mga red wines. Titigman na nila red wines dito, pati champagne. Wow. Astig. My kind. Okay. Prosecco. Alright. What's this? Bordeaux. Green. What's this? Vegetable strong. Lots of pizza. Wow, sarap. Okay, this meatballs with tomato, cheese, 4 cheese pizza, salami pizza, and chicken salad. Green and soft rolls. Okay, this mixed seafood curry. What's this? Cool. Aglio. All right. What do we have here? Rye bread roll, egg salad, and this tomato mozzarella, and potato salad, different oils. Okay, this what I've done. Salad. Okay, this good salad, and fruits, and wow. This salad from tempura, tapos may kiwi. Sarap yun. What's this? Fruits. And cheeses. Wow, sarap ng cheese sa dami. What's this? Okay, let's go. Okay, it's 5 o'clock.
Malaki. Approve naman ni Ma'am Mila.
Hi, love. Hi, Bernice. Hello. Good morning. We are here sa almost noon na po sa Fairmont Makati sa dito pa tayo sa Executive Gold Lounge enjoying breakfast. Okay. Oh, okay. So,
Good morning.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, Butch. Cosme. Welcome to my channel again, my vlog. So kami kakain na naman po. Kain na kain. Ito na po yung dalawa nating daughters. Hi Kayla. Kayla. Ay, si orange juice ko. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Let's eat again. Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Butch and this is
Pam.
Don't forget to like
Share.
and subscribe.